Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. Today I am going to discuss about the formula for fluid calculation. Even though we are living in a world with modern technologies and innovations where we are using syringe pump and infusion pump to administer drugs and IV fluids, it is mandatory for each and every nurse to know the basic formula for fluid calculation, which will be very useful for you guys when you are going for some interviews or exam. So let's move on to the topic. So before moving on to the formula, we should have some idea about the types of IV sets in order to implement the formula. So let's see about the types of IV set first. So these are the two IV sets we are using. This is the macro drip set and this one is the micro drip set. So from the name itself, the meaning is there. You see, macro means large and you see how big each drop is. And micro means small. You see how small each drop is. And also macro drip set, 1 ml is equal to 10 to 20 drops. And this drops varies from manufacturer to manufacturer. For one company, it might be 15 drops. For other company, it might be 20 drops. Okay, this all based upon the manufacturer's instructions, the drops. And micro drip, it is 60. It is a fixed thing. Okay, 60 drop is equal to 1 ml. So we should know the difference between the macro drip and the micro drip. Here are some more examples of real IV sets what we are using. This is the macro drip set. Mostly we will use for the adults. This is the micro drip set. It is also known as burette set or pediatric drip set, which we will use for the pediatric patient. Again, this is the micro drip set, which resembles like macro drip set, but here you can see a needle-like structure which will deliver a small drop. So by seeing the IV set itself, we should know to identify which is macro drip set and which is micro drip set. Here are some more examples to clarify the macro drip set and the micro drip set. So this is the macro drip set. Here you can see the large drop, and this is the micro drip set. Here you can see a small needle-like structure which will deliver the small drops. So I hope you guys are clear about the macro drip set and the micro drip set now. So macro drip set means which will deliver large drop, that is 1 ml is equal to 10 to 20 drops, which will differ from one manufacturer to other manufacturer. And in the micro drip set, 1 ml is equal to 60 drops, which we will use mostly for the pediatric patients. Here we can see about drop factor. So drop factor means what? Drop factor is number of drops in 1 ml. Okay. So as I explained already, in the macro drop factor, you need to check the package first, because I said it differs from manufacturer to manufacturer. Here you see in this diagram, okay, here they mention 20 drops per ml. For example, if you are seeing some other manufacturers, it might be 15 drops per ml. Okay, so it differs from manufacturer to manufacturer. So sometimes it might be 10 drops per ml, it might be 15 drops per ml or 20 drops per ml. So we have to always see the package in order to calculate. The next one is micro drop factor. Here, as I said, it is fixed 60 drops per ml. Here is our formula. Drops per minute is equal to decided volume into drop factor divided by time into 60. So this formula is applicable for both macro drip set and micro drip set, but only the drop factor differs. So as I am using macro drip set, first I noted in the manufacturer instruction, it's been mentioned 16 drops per ml. So my drop factor is 16 drops. For example, if you are using some other manufacturer and you are noticing 20 drops per ml, then your drop factor should be 20 drops per ml. Let us see one example. A doctor advised to give IV fluid, normal saline, 100 ml per hour for an adult patient. Now we will see the calculation. So drop per minute is equal to decided volume. Decided volume is how much doctor advised you to give. So doctor advised to give 100 ml. So I put 100 here into drop factor. As I am using macro drip set, it's been mentioned 16 drops per ml. My drop factor is 16. So I mentioned here 16 divided by time. So 100 ml has to go per hour, 1 hour. So 1, I am converting this to minute. So 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So I am multiplying this with 60 is equal to 100 into 16,600 divided by 60 is equal to 26.6. Again, you cannot keep 26.6 in a IV set. So here always we should know to round up the values. So as you all know that after the decimal, if the number is more than 5, then you can take it as 27. For example, here instead of the 6, 3 or 2 is there, then your roundup value will be 26 drops per minute. So here the decimal, after the decimal, the number is bigger than 5. So I converted this as 27. So 27 drops per minute is my answer. Here we can see how to calculate by using micro drip set. So as I said, the formula is same. Drops per minute is equal to decided volume into drop factor divided by time into 60. Only the drop factor varies. So as I am using micro drip set, my drop factor is fixed, that is 60 drops per ml. And now doctor advised to give 100 ml per hour. So I am putting this in my formula. So the decided volume is 100 into my drop factor is 60. So 60 divided by time. Within 1 hour 100 ml has to go. So 1 into again minute. So 60 is equal to 100 into 60, 6000 divided by 1 into 60, 60 is equal to 100 drops per minute. Here there is no decimal or nothing. So no need to round up the values. Already I got 100. So I can keep 100 drops per minute in the micro drip set. Here is one more formula to know the total time. That is the duration of each bottle. How long each bottle should go. In order to find out that, you can use this formula. Total time is equal to total volume in a bottle divided by decided volume. Let's see with an example. You are using a 500 ml normal saline bottle and your doctor advised you to give 100 ml of normal saline per hour. So you can use this formula. Total time is equal to total volume in a bottle. As you are using 500 ml bottle, you can mention here 500 divided by decided volume. So the doctor advised you to give 100 ml per hour. I mentioned here 100. So 500 divided by 100 is equal to 5 hours. So each 500 ml of normal saline will go for 5 hours. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope this will be very helpful for you guys, especially those who are preparing for interviews or exams. So if you feel it is really useful, kindly share, subscribe and press the bell icon button so that you will get the notifications whenever I am uploading new videos. See you all again with one more interesting topic. Until then, it's bye from Jebin. Bye bye. Take care.